Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Reverse sneezing in people is less commonly discussed compared to animals, but the concept applies to sudden, forceful inhalations through the nose, causing a rapid, noisy intake of air. It's often triggered by irritation or inflammation of the nasal passages, leading to a spasm of the throat and soft palate. To alleviate discomfort, staying calm and gently massaging the throat or encouraging swallowing can help shorten the episode. Ensuring a clean, allergen-free environment can also reduce the frequency of these occurrences.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.